Hey guys, what's up? It's Austin Billy again with Option Traders, and today I wanted to talk about the number one key to succeed in day trading or trading in general when you're trading the stock market. So I just wanted to show you, you won't be able to see my face, but just some examples here. This is John H. made about $1,345 off options, and that was just one of his trades. And then we can also go into the profit and losses, and we can see someone else is up 8% this month. This person is making, Jax is making $25 every single day, and that's awesome with a $1,500 account aroundish. I mean, that's a lot. Now he just needs to scale, but he's found what works for him, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Today we're going to talk about the number one key to success is finding a strategy that works well for you and then only trading that thing over and over and over again. So if you stick on trading, and I'm going to show you an example of what I call my trading playbook, which is my trade that I go to again. This is my favorite pattern and strategy, but it may not be yours. You got to find which one's yours and use it. But I want to show you how I set up mine so that you could maybe set up a playbook as well. So mine's called the trading playbook, and it's based on a triangle breakout pattern, which is my favorite. There's three types. You have a symmetrical, ascending, and a descending triangle breakout. So why do I have these three? It's because I can go into and I can find and I can pull up all the ascending ones that I've had in the past, and then I can search for it. So here we have an ascending and a symmetrical here, but I just want to show you all. So basically, um, at the close of every day, starting obviously Thursday, April 12th, I take a picture of my favorite pattern and how it played out, and if I played it, where I played it, and where I should have played it, and how it can improve. Now, why am I recording a pattern? It's because I need to see the past. I need to know. I need if this strategy, if I'm going to be using it consistently, then I want to make sure I know it. I want to make sure I know the in and outs of it. Every single case of it, I want to have seen it. So every time the day closes, I take a screenshot of it. I record the day, the date, and then what kind. So if I ever want to control F and find it, then I can. So I do a quick description. So this is obviously always for SPX. Gap up, run up in the morning. Triangle breaks down right near support. Triangle breaks at 10:44. I also include the time. Um, didn't run as far down as expected, and stuff like that. So let's see. We can keep looking. And so here, Monday, April 16, 2008, symmetrical triangle breakout. We had a gap up consolidation in the morning with an uptrend and blah blah blah. You can see it all played out from here. So basically, I'm recording these so I can go back through and understand, okay, what triangle patterns have happened before. How can I know to capitalize on these again? And it also helps me with my fear of hesitation because I know I've seen this before and I know it's going to play out. And if not, if I'm trading the same strategy over and over, statistically, the strategy has like an 80% chance of working out in the long run. But if I keep switching strategies, then I'm giving myself a lower probability of profit. So it doesn't matter what strategy you use. You find one that works for you, you stick to it, and you create a playbook. So what's my number one key to day trading success? Find a strategy that works for you. John H., the one who made about $1,000, he was trading a strategy that works for him, which is support and resistance and triangle breakouts. The other one, I don't know what he was doing exactly. I think it spreads, but that works for him. And if it works for him, perfect, do it. Another guy also trades triangles. You don't have to trade triangles. Trade whatever you want, as long as it has a history of working out more than 50% of the time. So obviously here, this happened twice in one day. We had this breakout, and then we had this breakout. This was Friday, and then we can just see. You see how I just record this playbook of what's happening, how I know where to get in, where to get out. The more that I see this in my head, the more I will start to see it on the charts. Anybody can read a chart that is already played out, but you need to learn how to read the chart that is not played out yet. You need to work on reading the chart that's about to come. And as someone said in the group chat perfectly, when someone says, "What do you predict?" he said, you can't predict, you just react. And that is the perfect thing. If you know what you're looking for, if you know what your strategy is, you can more easily react to something because you know what your strategy is and how you're going to conquer it. If you keep switching, you're looking for too many variables in trading, and you're going to fail. You need to stick to one simple thing. Trading only rewards those who are a master at one thing, not okay at a bunch of things. So I just wanted to say that that is my number one tip for trading success. I hope that helps, guys. Again, you're going to want to use your strategy. So, like, the triangle works for me, but what if you're more of a Tesla person? Okay, well, look up how news affects Tesla. Obviously, today we had Tesla news came out this morning or something like that. I don't know, I don't keep up with news a lot. But they were having like they got filed some lawsuit or something. Okay, so you can maybe trade news if you're a trading news person, or you can work on what stocks work best in the certain different times of the day. Just find something that works and then testing it by looking through the past. And if you also want to find another way to test something, go to TradingView. TradingView, if you don't have the Thinkorswim on demand feature, this is the next best thing. Okay, for instance, let's pull up Apple. You go to replay, you select where you want to start the replay, and then you select the speed at which you want it to start, and you go. So, for instance, like this is moving one update every 1 second. So this is a 1 minute candle, but it's playing out every second. You can slow it down and you can speed it up. This is an awesome way just to learn the feel of a stock, to learn the feel of the stock market, and also to test out your strategies. All right, so I hope that helps you learn what is the number one key to day trading success, and I hope that you can find your strategy and capitalize on it.